Okay, we're here in the Shipwreck kitchen, looking at the oven, and we're going to go through a few of the options and features of the oven. Go ahead.
Okay. First of all, you have the hood. First switch is your light on. The button next to it is your variable control for how bright you want it. Okay. The next one you have is the fan. Okay. Now the fan, high is all the way to the right. Takes a little while to build pressure, big blower in there. And low is down to the left, and that'll go to a whisper. A whisper is good if you're simmering. You don't need to listen to that fan high speed. So when you're simmering, low speed. You turn them off with the toggle switches. These two switches are not in use, so don't bother with them. To clean this, all you do is grab any fan, lift up, pull the bottom out, and throw it in the dishwasher. I use clear ammonia and water when I do it in the dishwasher, as long as you don't use sudsy ammonia. The oven, all your burners are electronic ignition. High is immediate, low is all the way down, but then you also have a simmer, which is between high and the off position. You can go as small as you want. If the burner should blow out because of a breeze, she'll relight herself. So you don't have to worry about that. Same thing with the griddle, is the same way. The oven, first you have the large oven, and bake and thermostat. That's what you can be doing most of the time. If you're going to use convection bake, all that does, the only difference is that turns the internal fan on that blows the air evenly around the food. You have full convection cook as well, which this is a dual fuel. That only turns the element on by the fan, not the bottom ones. Although that, on some of these, they're electrified for this to come on only during preheat. Always preheat the oven one time until the oven light goes out before using it, because, for instance, if you set this at 350 degrees, the oven is going to go to about 425 initially for the preheat. Once that light goes out, the next time it comes on, you're at 350. So that's how to use that oven. Clean would be all the way up on clean over here, and throw this on self-clean. All the chrome in the oven gets removed before you use self-clean, or it's going to tarnish badly. So if you want to keep these nice and bright, these and the side racks, pull them out. No aluminum foil. This oven over here is also a self-clean, same thing. Remove the racks and the aluminum foil. And now on the little oven, you have bake. We need a new selector knob here. But the next one would be broil. This would be, I believe that this one should be speed broil, the third one. And then you have self-clean over here. Self-clean, your oven thermostat for this oven, you skip two controls. You have to put that on clean as well. Okay? And that's how you take care of those. And that's it on your stove. Very easy.
All right, thank you very much.